Did you know the air conditioner, initially designed to keep a printing press cool, went on to revolutionize how we beat the heat? The air conditioner, initially made for a printing press to control humidity to ensure smooth operation to the machine. It became crucial thanks to an American engineer, Willis Carrier, whose name is based on the air conditioning brand we know today. He created an air conditioner using chilled water moving through heating coils. It went from being needed in factories to being a must-have in cities, allowing skyscrapers to be built and cities to flourish in places that were once too hot. This invention not only cooled buildings, but also made it easier for people to live and work comfortably in places like busy cities and hot regions like Dubai that are dependent to artificial cooling.